nasupalpal si Jinky Luistro. Nasupalpal siya ng Senator Pia Cayetano. Sa uban pa, nakaigit si Jinky Luistro. Hindi makapalag si Jinky Luistro yung pagkamaldita-maldita niya na ala Miriam Defensor Santiago daw di umano. Naku, sa nasupalpal. Tumahimik. Si Senator Pia Cayetano pa ang galing magtanong ka, bibigoy. Sabi pa ni Senator Pia Cayetano, do your job. Oh, diba? Oh, lawyer versus lawyer. Ang prosecution, si Jinky Luistro ang nagpresenta kayo na kay Matibag. Akala, sabi nila, basta si Matibag na, it's a fireworks. May mga pasabog kami. Hala, sila ang natulala sa kanilang mapasabog. Parang napahiya ang prosecution ngayon. Diba? Si Matibag, madami mga lapses. Uy, sumulat pala ito si Matibag ng artikulo tungkol kay Bibi Sara. At ang asawa pa ni Matibag ay isa sa mga nagsampa ng impeachment. Pwede ba yun? Diba? Tapos hindi pa daw kilala ni Matibag ang pirma ng kayang asawa. Uy, ano ba naman yan? Pirma na yung asawa, hindi mo kilala. Anong nangyari? Kaya walang makakapigil kabibig kay Senator Pia Cayetano. Buga ng apoy. Naku, mukhang napayuko na lang si Jinky pa. Parang napalunok na lang si Jinky na mga ilang mga laway na parang hindi ko kaya ito si Pia. Talo talaga ako. Sinabihan ako ng do your job. Ano bang pagkakamali ko? Anong kulang ko? Bakit parang kasalanan ko? Mga ganun kabibig ba? Di ba kabibig? So ikaw, ano ang iyong komento mga kabibig nitong tagsupalpal ni Senator Pia Cayetano kay Jinky Luistro? Sobra. As in parang firework. As in hindi mo maipinta ang pagmumukha ni Jinky. Parang sabi ni Jinky, naku, binuhusan ako ng malamig na tubig nito ah. Parang yung pagiging abogado ko, parang hindi ko magamit dito yung mga pa-English ko, yung pa-feeling Miriam Defensor Santiago, the next Miriam Defensor Santiago daw di umano sa Jinky. Wala eh, wala. Wala talaga, parang natapon lahat yung mga, sabi nila, si Jinky Luistro, magandang tatakbong senador. Uy, talaga ba? Supal pa lang siya ni Senator Pia Cayetano. In fairness, ang galing ni Senator Pia Cayetano. Nakikita niya kung ano ang lapses ng prosecution. Diba? So, watch this video kapibig. Ano ang iyong reaction?
Nakita ba ng witness mo na sinulat yon? Nakita ba niya?
Your Honor, we can...
No, please answer my question.
No, Your Honor.
Oh, the next manner of authenticating by evidence of the genuineness of the signature or handwriting of the maker. The defense said ni walang original signature doon. Do you disagree with that?
We don't, Your Honor.
Okay. And the third, by other evidence showing its due execution and authenticity, did you provide?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so simple lang, Mr. Presiding Officer, do your job and present the proper witness and the proper documentation to do that. Do your job.
Senator Judge Pia Cayetano is recognized for her interjections and interventions. You may proceed, ma'am, when you are ready, and you have 2 minutes.
For the prosecution. Do you consider Las Canas an important witness for you, for the prosecution?
With all due respect, Your Honor, the purpose of the testimony is to present what transpired during the investigation of the Special Task Force. As to whether or not what probative value it holds, it is not part actually of the decision of the prosecution, as what we are intending to do here is to present only what happened during the investigation of the NBI, Your Honor.
Mr. Presiding Officer, the rules of evidence are very clear. You either present a witness who provides her testimony, or you present a document. And in terms of documents, Rule 132, Section 19 says there are two classes of documents, public documents and private documents. Included in public documents are documents acknowledged before a notary public. Yung pinakitang document is not acknowledged by a notary public. Pwede naman din ang private documents, that's the other class. If it can be shown and authenticated in any of the following manner. The person saw the document executed or written. Nakita ba ng witness mo na sinulat yon? Nakita ba niya?
Your Honor, we can...
No, please answer my question.
No, Your Honor.
Oh, the next manner of authenticating by evidence of the genuineness of the signature or handwriting of the maker. The defense said ni walang original signature doon. Do you disagree with that?
We don't, Your Honor.
Okay. And the third, by other evidence showing its due execution and authenticity. Did you provide?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. So simple lang, Mr. Presiding Officer. They're trying to prove something by showing a document that any law student, even yung mga kababayan natin na nakikinig na ngayon na ang dami ng alam sa procedure, will tell you na hindi acceptable yon. And with all due respect, katulad din nung kahapon na humingi ako ng payo sa inyo, again, I will not name names, we had a discussion in caucus na you cannot unsee what you see. You cannot unhear what you hear. So pinalabas yun. Wala akong problema na palabasin yun, pero do your job and present the proper witness and the proper documentation to do that. Do your job. I'm addressing this, Mr. Presiding Officer, to us as a body. Kasi hindi tama yun. Magdidesisyon tayo, you warn us, pero pinabayaan natin na makita yun. Minamarkahan pa, submarkings. What's the purpose of all that?
May I respond, Your Honor?
Not really.
I don't believe
because
there was
I already
a question.
answered. I already asked you the questions, and you had a chance to respond. Yes.
There was no question posed, sir. I was
There's none, yes.
telling the lead prosecutor.
I move to my next point, Mr. Presiding Officer. Our jurisprudence is very clear, no? A witness must be competent and credible. Di ko na babasahin lahat yung jurisprudence natin dyan dahil kompleto na yung record natin dyan. But there is also a also included in our rules, Rule 132 on the rules of evidence, and I'll read it. A witness may be impeached by the party against whom he or she was called by contradictory evidence, by evidence that his or her general reputation for truth, honesty, or integrity is bad, or by evidence that he or she has made at other times statements inconsistent with his or her present testimony. So this is the rules, no? Siguro we can, well, I'm reading the rules, so we can take notice of this, that this is what our rules say, and I don't think anyone will contradict that.
O, nakita niyo na. Palakpakan naman dyan. O, ano ang iyong reaction doon? Sino ang panalo ngayon? Prosecution o depensa? In fairness, ang galing ni Attorney, Vinluan. Ang galing niya. O. Si Matibag parang naigit-igit na rin. Naigit-igit si Matibag. Bakit? Kasi, anata naman talaga. May diary daw si Matibag. My dear diary. Ay, nako. So kami bigyan lang po ang ating latest lebak-lebak for the day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Tama lang ba ang ginawa ni Senator Pia Cayetano? Hindi naman pagsupal-pal yun ang ginawa ni Senator Pia Cayetano. Yun ang style ni Senator Pia Cayetano kung paano titingnan, hahanapin ang totoong ebidensya kasi walang nakitang totoong ebidensya sa Senator Pia Cayetano kasi kaya pinagsabihan si Pia at si Jinky, do your job, gawin nyo ang trabaho nyo. Ano to, fishing expedition?